Hi, this is Blender for Maya users. I am a Maya user for past 3, 4, 5 years, I think, from college itself, I think. First of all, using a Blender as a Maya user, for to be easy, I am going to change the preference to use Maya keys to use Blender. How we can do that? Go to file, user preference, and in this input module we can click Blender and change it to Maya, and also here also we can change it into Maya. Now the same Maya buttons is used to navigate the 3D port of Blender. First, this for anyone new to 3D, first of all I will explain about that 3D viewport. In 3D viewport, there are defaultly there are cube 3D cube is present, and also when this is camera, also this is the render to which view we are going to render, and this circle shape, that is a light, 3D light. Of course, you can say that's now it is a point lamp in Blender, and in Maya it can be say point light. Now you can click the Alt button, and using that left mouse button you can rotate the viewport like you are flying around that. You can rotating like that, you can do that. Okay, then by clicking that Alt and middle mouse button can do like this, zoom in and zoom out, and middle mouse button and right click can zoom smoothly in and out. And also you can select an object, click F for focusing that object to this frame, and any object, if this camera you select and click F means it will focus like that, and this lamp you select and click F means it will focus. We can clear right now we can clear this light, and we can clear this cube first and delete this, and after that we can create using this create drop money box. We say that inside plane, cube, circle, anything. These are all basic shapes. If you want to create the cube again, you can click and it will create it in that place. This it will create mostly in the center of the 3D plane, that is x0, y0, and z also 0. You can find it out in that object type, that cube like icon in the panel, and this is the location of the cube. It is not in dead center, but you can make it too. Now it is in dead center, 0 of z, 0 of y, and 0 of z, like that. By clicking that green, you can change the location of the cube in y-axis, along the y-axis, and red for x-axis, and blue for z-axis. And if you want to back in that, you can also provide that mark in here and bring it back to that origin of 0, 0, 0, that x, y, z. Right now this is how you can navigate and move through that 3D viewport. Thank you.